Hey there, crochet besties. So before we dive in, huge thank you to all of your excitement, your questions, and your comments on the last two videos. It's been amazing seeing you believe that you can create garments that fit. In case you missed the last videos or need a quick refresh, here's the deal. Most patterns don't teach you how to plan your own garment. I mean, that's kind of why we get the patterns / collect them. They don't show you how to use your body measurements, understand the swatch, or estimate your yarn. Because most patterns will give you measurements, it will tell you to make a gauge swatch and how much yarn you need. But unfortunately, it won't include if you need to make adjustments for your body. And this is why many crocheters get stuck, but you're not stuck anymore. So I'm Courtney of Creations by Courtney, a crochet garment designer and teacher, and I'm teaching a system that makes wearable success repeatable. Yes, repeatable. No longer do you have to question, how is it going to fit? Will it fit? Will this work? No more. If you allow me to teach you my system, you could take any stitch, any yarn, any weight, and make something absolutely amazing. So one crochet bestie had this to say: Courtney is super helpful and responds quickly. When I reach out with a question, and I have a lot because I'm new to crocheting garments, she explains things in a way I can understand. She gives me multiple options to solve my problem and doesn't make me feel stupid. I enjoy watching her videos because she makes whatever subject she is talking about fun. Courtney pushes you to try new techniques and grow your crochet skills. She is very encouraging and supportive along the way. I enjoy her patterns. They are well written and easy to follow. Also super cute. I highly recommend checking out Courtney's programs and patterns. And that is from Beth. Hey, crochet bestie. So let's talk about some of the questions I keep getting. What if I've never made a garment? Okay. Once upon a time, you had never crocheted before. And since then, if you can make a chain, you can make a single crochet, double crochet, half double, a treble, really any number of stitches, you can make a garment, right? We've all made a square or a rectangle or something that looks similar to those shapes. You can make a garment. But what if I hate math? Okay, I get it. A lot of people don't like math. Lucky for you, I love math. I really, really do. And so I'm going to walk you step by step through the math with worksheets. It's multiple worksheets so that it's not confusing. I know what we went through the other day was a lot and it was quick, but I've broken it down so it's even easier. As long as you follow the instructions and can get the numbers with some measurements, and to weigh the yarn, it's plug and play, baby. Plug and play. What if I don't know what stitch to use? That's a tough one, but is it? I'm sure you have at least one, if not 5, stitch dictionaries, either digitally on a device or on your actual bookshelf. I love collecting stitch dictionaries, especially if I find one that does actually have a few, and I really do mean a few, stitches that I know aren't in the ones I already have. To me, it's like winning the lottery because it gives you the basic information and now you can take it and make whatever you want with it, right? So rather than figuring out what stitches to start with while also learning math, while also learning how to understand gauge, I got you. I'm going to give you the stitches to practice to see how it works in order for you to build the skills that are now repeatable for an unlimited amount of crochet garments in your future. Here's the big picture. When you understand your measurements, swatch with the purpose, and plan your layout, you stop guessing. You gain confidence. You make what you love and you love what you make. It's time. It's been time. And this is your sign to create a handmade closet of your dreams and your favorite colors, your favorite fibers, and the perfect fit for you. It's like having a tailor, except for you're the tailor. So it's time to really love what you make and love what you wear. And this is where everything shifts. You go from guessing and frogging to joyful, wearable results. You know your garment will fit because you planned for it. That's the transformation inside From Stitch to Style, making simple crochet garments. Tomorrow, enrollment for From Stitch to Style officially opens. This isn't a pattern. We have enough of those for right now. It's a repeatable system, a creative roadmap for makers who want to go from I hope it fits to I know it will. So enrollment is only open for a few days. And I've got some special bonuses because I love sharing with my crochet besties that I'll be sharing more details about tomorrow. Until then, I want to hear from you. What's one garment you've always wanted to make, but you haven't started yet? I know there's at least one. You saw it, you gasped, and just sheer joy and surprise at its beauty. I want to know, what is that one garment? Because now is the time to make it. So drop a comment or send me a message. I want to hear about your dream project. You've got this, and I'll be here to help you take the next step.